Excuse me. Hi. May boaters. Ayan. Pababa tayo. Magpipiknik kami doon sa dagat. Malapit lang ito doon sa bahay nila. So, mga 10 minutes drive. Picnic. Libre lang na beach. Ayan na. Walang entrance. Pero ang linis. It's okay. I'm just doing video. I am. It's fine. Oh, so sweet. Charot. Naantay niya akong bumaba. Hawakan niya pa yung ako. Ayan. Baba tayo. Oh. Syempre, sila nagbibilad sa araw. Be, ako. Pinay tayo. May umbrella. Ayaw mangitim. Sila bilad ng bilad. Ako naman, umbrella ng umbrella. Para lang ako nasa Boracay. Mas maganda pa sa Boracay. Okay, ang puti ng sound. Para lang ako nag-Boracay. Magtutupis tayo, dahil may tupis. Ganda ng dagat. Tapos may ganyan pa. Aura. Ano maganda yung sun, you know, walang bato-bato. Ayun ako yung tatlo. Ay, yung apat. Swimming na sila. Ang ganda ng tubig. Ang ganda ng view.
It's so cold. Pick up your slippers.
Is it cold?
It's really cold.
Oh, I don't think your mom can go up down here, love.
No,
Huh?
not at all.
Where she's gonna go then? She said, no,
Up
this.
there on the benches.
What? It's up there?
Yeah.
Oh,
She won't walk down here.
really? Oh, well, then jump.
Hey, do you want to take your shoes off?
Where are we gonna go?
You go first.
This way. Strolling around here in beach in Portugal. See the different. It's free beach, but it's not a lot of people.
Go.
Family doing picnics, making tan. Kirara na ako pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas. I'm so dark when I get back to Philippines. I'm gonna need a glutathione for whitening my skin. So ba? Ang ganda ng ano dito po. Ang ito maganda ng... Oh, there's a cave. There's a cave. There's a cave here. We're gonna go through the cave.
Yeah.
Oh my God. We can go in there. Ah! Look at that. Are we getting back to there? Are you sure? Oh, pakita ko sa inyo. Oh! Nakakatakot. Lakas ng alon. I don't think we can pass through there. May echo. Huh? I might get wet. Oh! Oh my God! So nice! Okay, hanggang dun. Ay no! Ang ganda! Ito to. Ha? Oh! You can actually climb there? No, no, no. Pabalik na tayo. Whew. Ang init. Dapat may umbrella ka dito eh. Lagyan oh. May umbrella sila. Pero you can actually sit down there in the top. There's a restaurant here, Daddy?
Yeah.
Where's the restaurant?
There.
Oh, you can actually order food? Oh, really? You wanna look?
No.
Huh?
No.
No, just
Sí, pero que no me llega
wondering.
al agua, ¿sabes?
Idea. There's only one
Yeah.
restaurant down here. Like you can buy drinks. Tingnan natin. Whew. And then may life. Dito yung lifeguard. Ayan. Ang linis dito guys. Wala kang makikita kahit na anong plastic. Kasi ang dami nilang bin. Ayan o, recycled bin. Hinihiwalay-hiwalay talaga yung mga kalat dito. So, organize sila. Kasi malinis. Ang linis na ano na to, parang country. Wala lang shell. Mamumulat sana ako ng shell. Pero walang shell. So, ayun. Andun yung mga bata. There. Nakakakuha kami ng magandang spot. Which is doon. May shade. Dito maglalakad-lakad ka. Nang naka-two-piece. Nakalabas yung pat mo. Walang pakilamanan din. Mga nakatongs, mga nakatimba. Walang titingin-tingin sa'yo na judging your poet ay maitim. Hello! Okay, I'm sitting down now. Tired.
You're alright, Grandpa? Need some water, but get wet, Grandpa. And
Yeah.
cream crackers.
That's funny, that.
Yeah.
Wet.
I'm not following you.
Tara na.
Oh,
Ito yung kuweba dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda ng view.
what is wrong with you?
Magde-tiktok ka.